city calls my name now, oh yeah. See me now, I be like I told you so. I am so much better now, but it still hurts to see you with him, so I keep my distance. I was born to succeed, I just had to ruin my life first to lose everything and everyone to find me. You gave a fuck too late, now I don't let your opinions define me. Now I just roll for my dough, smoking, just trying to have a rainy day. It's sad to say, now I just roll through life torn and healed. I ain't trying to play it safe, no one try to save face, cause the city's behind me, yeah. Now the city's behind me, oh yeah. Don't mind me, never find me. I stood up, now I'm vibing, going 90 fast, driving rear view, watching the city behind me. Sun in my face, yeah. Shit, I am too high, enjoying my day, knowing you are. Hey, enter the room, the vibe's out, and I tried out. Now you see me and you be like, oh hey, you. What don't you understand about how you fucked me up, but it turned out to be the best thing for me. What don't you understand that I didn't think I'd be alive this long and always saw you were the best thing for me. What did you think was gonna happen? All those phone calls, ignore 3 in the morning. You just mad I don't let you define me, and who the fuck you think I am is no more. I can fucking wait to see who I become with you gone and the city behind me. Beehive Mafia.